kubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Menteri Rangba Kajila Ukonrat ki Sangma Bajubab Yaka calling attention Balwanra the President ka Voice of the People Party Uba Adan Basayamut Baka Sorkar kala kentat ban ay song Jingïarap ni kilong ying jong ki Ngut ki Breu ki Bayap hak Jingja Hashilong Ulaong bakinadap ban Pyllait Yaka song pisa Lyngba ka Chief Minister Special Grant Menteri Rangba Ukonrat Sangma Ulaong baka kubor bakentat ban ay Yaka song Jingïarap kadai kabomdai Satia Yaka song Jingïarap ladap ban ay Shakilong Ying Kilanot Om Naga State Disaster Mitigation Fund Henry Naga Chief Minister Special Grant Kumta ban ong baklem ay Yaka song Jingïarap kadai kabomdai Satia Ulaong Ula batay Yaka song Jingïarap hapo ka SDMF lamang betek tang hagi jingja penjulor kamaryang kabahap hapo ka State Disaster Response Fund bat kamdei kabala ban pedankam hagi weipat ki jingja accident namar ka jingbatay kerpang jongka Ulaong ru bagadon ka song pisa hapo ka Cmsg kamdan Satia kanu ka kindon bakerpang namar ting kidaw jong ki jingja ki apher UCM udon Yaka hok ban ay Yaka song Jingïarap Henry kalong ka bae bha namar shisian bangis dang ban kershan ni kinu ki jingja accident kan kelalong kerukom ban ka hok ladadon kanu ka jingja bakin kmirenti Yaka Cmsg Ulaong Menteri Rangba Ulaong yinget baki kam jongi ki kham kongsan ban Yaka ba pendong kubor naka lese dei nakane ba udukhat bat kilat pathai kubor kim chimlatip Ngim kwa ban penhe Yaka ngila ay jar Yaka song Jingïarap ula benrap
I would like to thank the Honorable Member from Ngim for having raised this call attention, as it is giving an opportunity to the government to clarify on this very important matter. Sir, I would like to inform the Honorable Member and the House and the public at large that ex gratia, not from the SDMF fund, but from the Chief Minister's Special Development Fund, or rather Chief Minister's Special Grant, Cmsg, ex gratia has been released to these families. So it's incorrect information that ex gratia has not been given. Ex gratia has been given from the Chief Minister's Special Grant. I would like to further clarify that the normal ex gratia that we refer to, which comes under the SDMF, under the disaster management, is utilized exclusively for the purpose of mitigation projects in respect of natural disaster covered under the State Disaster Response Fund. And therefore, it is difficult for us, when accidents take place, to announce ex gratia because of the very specific definition and the specific purpose under which the ex gratia of the SDMF can be used. However, as I mentioned, sir, that there is a fund under the Chief Minister's Secretariat, which is called the Chief Minister's Special Grant, and in different circumstances, based on circumstances, there is no specific guidelines on the amount for that, because circumstances differ. Based on the circumstances, the Chief Minister is at liberty to give the ex gratia. But as I said, sir, it is very sensitive and complicated issue for us, because it sometimes becomes difficult to assess, the accidents that take place because of circumstances and different kind of accidents and classification of accidents, if I may. Because once we start the precedent of supporting accidents, then it becomes a norm and it becomes an entitlement in one way, where any kind of accident that takes place, then there is an expectation that Cmsg fund will be used. Therefore, it's very difficult. It's a very narrow kind of a space in which we are trying to function. And as I said, it's not possible for us in all circumstances and all accidents to start giving ex gratia of Cmsg. And that is why we do what we do, sir, without talking much. As our Honorable Minister Veterinary, his principle is very clear. He always mentions in all the speeches, his conclusion is saying that we act more, we talk less, and we act more. So we gave the money, sir, but we did not make it a big news. That's not how we function. We feel that it was important to support them. We realized the circumstances under which these families were. We realized the kind of circumstances under which this incident occurred. And therefore, we ensured that the government supported them. And as I said, under the Cmsg, without making any noise about it, without going to the public, without having a social media Insta reel or something on it, we quietly helped them because we believe that our actions are more important than making a news out of it. Maybe that's why Honorable Member as well as the media houses did not come to hear about it. But let me assure you, sir, we are here to help our people in whatever way possible, and we ensure that wherever we can. Sometimes it's not possible because the circumstances are quite complicated, where government coming in would, again, as I said, precedence in the future. We have to balance it. But as mentioned, sir, for us, we went into this and we have given the support from Cmsg. And as I said, we did not make a big deal out of it. We did not go to media, but we have quietly given the amount to the family members, sir. Thank you very much.